Oh my goodness. Look what I got. Isn't this the most funniest thing you've ever seen in your life? It's called Henry. It's a vacuum cleaner. And it's red. So my husband thought this is what I need. So we are joking. We are saying it's my 60th birthday present is this little crazy, I don't know why this is so skewed, is this little thing. I mean, now he's looking there smiling. He thinks this is the funniest thing ever, buying me this little vacuum cleaner because I am moaning and groaning about cleaning. My cleaner decided to vanish. I don't know what happened to her. She only came once a week, but she just didn't rock up. So now I'm all on my own. And I do not enjoy cleaning, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So then I was moaning and groaning, and hubby decided, okay, it's time for this thing. I don't know where you put this, but this is now the little machine. So yes, it will definitely make me smile every time I see it. I won't say it will make me excited to clean, but it will make me smile. And if you cannot smile, find joy in your life, even if it is when you open a little thing like this. So I think, Henry, it's actually quite heavy. So this little thing it will have to be put somewhere. I think there. Not the other way around. Well, I don't know where. Huh? But then it's not, it must go in there. Oh, there it is. So this is Henry. So, well, I just thought to share this with you because this is a cute little thing. So it will make my life a little bit easier. So this is it. Get something that brings out the joy in you. Laugh at yourself. It was so funny. I told my kids, yippee, I got this thing for my 60th birthday. So I can just laugh about it. So Henry is going to bring a smile to my face. Have a fantastic day. And you know what? Let's start to find the joy. Because that's something that I've experienced just is very hard to come by these days. Joy. You know, and there's always this one thing that just speaks to me, you know. That one verse that says, the joy of the Lord is my salvation. And that speaks deeply to me on another level. If I cannot find joy, that is just plain sad. Then my salvation, saving myself, being saved from this, the things in this world that's driving us to depression, the only thing that can save me from that is joy. And the joy can only be found in me, because that's where I can find the abundant life. The life is in us. The life is in me, and joy is in me. So if I cannot find joy in this little thing, I don't know. So let's find the joy and let's share joy. Oh, I read something else. I hope I wrote it. This is my little sketchbook, but it's actually becoming more of a just day by day, just writing down what really speaks to me. So I think I wrote, okay. I will get it now. Joy is portable. Carry it with you wherever you go. That's why I said the joy is in us. So we need to carry it with us. It can only be within, you can only find it within yourself. Here I've got it now. All will be joysmiths, and their task shall be to beat out laughter from the ringing anvil, is that way I would say it, of life. You know, when they beat on an anvil, when they beat the gold, they hit it and it became beautiful. So this is what it says. All will be joysmiths, not goldsmiths, joysmiths, and their task shall be to beat out laughter from the ringing anvil of life. Everyday life, we will have to beat the joy out of it to find it. So that's why I just thought, share the joy of my little Henry this morning with you. You know, just let's be light bearers, but joysmiths. Share the light that is in us, the abundant life and light that is in me and in you. We got to share it. But more than that actually is sharing joy. I need to find my joy in me. And if this little thing, every time I see it, will beat out the laughter in me, hallelujah, it's doing its job. Isn't it awesome? Well, love you lots. This is just me sharing some joy. What more can we do than just share the joy?